In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Autosave in Microsoft Word. Autosave is a feature that automatically saves your document as you work, which can be very useful to prevent losing changes. However, some users may prefer to control when their documents are saved, especially when working with sensitive content, temporary drafts, or large files where automatic saving can slow down performance. Disabling Autosave gives you the flexibility to save only when you choose, ensuring that your workflow remains exactly how you want it. To start, open Microsoft Word on your computer and load the document you're currently working on. Look at the top left corner of the Word window, near the Quick Access toolbar. If Autosave is enabled, you will see the Autosave toggle switch turned on. This switch is typically displayed as a small slider with the word Autosave next to it. To turn off Autosave for this specific document, simply click the toggle so it moves to the off position. This immediately stops Word from automatically saving changes to this file. If you want to turn it back on later, you can return to the same toggle and switch it back on with a single click. If you want to disable Autosave for all future documents, you can do so through Word's settings. Go to the File tab on the ribbon and then select Options at the bottom of the menu. In the Word Options window, click on Save in the left-hand panel. Here you'll find a section labeled Autosave. Uncheck the option that says Autosave file stored in the cloud by default on Word. This ensures that Autosave is turned off for all new documents stored in these cloud locations, giving you full control over when and how your files are saved. Additionally, while in the Save settings, you can adjust the Auto Recover options. Auto Recover still allows Word to create periodic backups of your work in case of a crash, without automatically saving every change. You can set the frequency or disable it if you prefer, providing an extra layer of customization for your document management. By turning off Autosave, you gain control over when your documents are saved, which can help prevent unwanted changes from being permanently applied and allows you to manage your files more intentionally. It's a simple change that can make a significant difference in your workflow. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.